Hi, this is Lisa McNair Palmer again. I am a disability attorney in Tulsa, Oklahoma, but I do help people with veterans disability cases and Social Security disability cases all over the U.S. And I wanted to talk to you today about something that I find to be very troubling that the Social Security Administration is doing right now. They are sending my clients and other people's clients and people who have applied for benefits who are not represented by anyone a form that asks them to waive 75 days notice of an administrative hearing when they get to the administrative hearing level of the process. This is very troubling because we generally do not want to waive 75 days notice of a hearing with the Social Security Administration, because what they do is they'll send you a notice of hearing, setting up a hearing date and time for you. Right now, those are only being done by telephone, and they're going to start doing some by video with Microsoft Teams. But what happens is they schedule that hearing, and then you are expected to make sure that they have all of your medical records, all of your evidence, at least 5 business days before that hearing takes place. And you may think, well, it's not going to take that long to get medical records and to make sure that the judge who's going to decide my case has all of the important evidence in my case. But you may be surprised to know that some medical facilities take a long time to provide your medical records, and sometimes you can't just go to their office and get the records. And especially with quarantines and COVID-19, you may not be wanting to get out. You may not want to go to a doctor's office or a hospital to try to get records. So having 75 days notice of a hearing is very, very important. You need that 75 days to get ready for the hearing. And so in my office, for instance, when we get that hearing notice, we're going to send you some forms to fill out. We are going to make sure that we know about all of your medical records. We want to update all of your medical records. And it's just so important that we have that time. We also are going to have a legal assistant call you and go over some things with you to start getting you prepared for your hearing. And then I am going to have a meeting with you approximately 3 to 4 weeks before your hearing to go over many issues and items and important topics with you, so that you are fully prepared for your hearing and so that we can represent you to the best of our abilities and so that we can all be fully prepared. So anyway, that is a long-winded explanation, I know, but I just think it's a bad idea to waive the 75 days notice prior to a hearing date. And there are a few situations where, yes, we will do that, but if you get that form and you have a representative or an attorney, please talk to them before you look at that form and think, great, I'm going to get my hearing sooner if I sign this form and I agree to waive the required notice they're supposed to give me. But it's usually not a good idea. So anyway, again, this is Lisa McNair Palmer. If you need help with a disability case, you can call me at 800-580-9335, and I want to help as many disabled people as I can. So give us a call. You can talk to us, and there's no obligation to do anything with us. Just call us, and we'll see if we can help you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.